how to add a company page follow button to your website. So the goal here is to increase company page followers by leveraging the people who are visiting your company's website, so that then they're following you on LinkedIn and they're getting your updates and posts shared right to their news feed. So I'm going to jump over and just show you what I'm talking about here. So this is the Intero advisory website. We added a button here to the header and in the footer of every page. So if somebody comes to a blog post or is learning about the services they provide, they're prompted here with this button to follow their company page if they're interested and active on LinkedIn. It's a nice, convenient way to have that added to their profile. So I just want to show you how we did that, and you're going to need a little bit of code. So I'll add that to the description of this video after we record, but we're live right now. So if you Google LinkedIn company page follow button Intero advisory, you'll find this blog post. And in this blog post, I talked about the importance of having this button on your website and like strategically where to place it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you how to add the button. So if you just come down to this little snippet of code here, basically what this is doing is referencing a JavaScript library that LinkedIn has created, and by updating just one little piece of information in the snippet of code, it'll reference your company page versus, in this instance, we have Intero's company page code, and this is just a unique identifier. So you can do cool things like this, but the snippet of code will know which company page to attribute this button to. So if you go ahead and copy that, and I'm going to show you how I did this on my company's website and where I found it. So if you take that snippet of code and copy it, you'll want to come to some place on your website. This is the Intero advisory website. We added a little HTML area in the header, as I mentioned, and copied that piece of code right into here. For my company website, we used Elementor to build the Intero website, which is a page builder. But for me, most of it is just hard coded into a unique theme. So I went to the theme editor, and this is in WordPress. You might be using Squarespace. So for each platform, it's going to be different where you paste this code. But if you have any questions about your specific platform, just feel free to comment in the video or send us a note. So here for ProSightly, I came in and I copied the code into just the footer of our website. So you'll see I have much less LinkedIn followers than Intero, but here you'll see the button showed up. But I also want to show you where you go to find that unique identifier, that string of digits that you have to put into the code in replace of Intero's code. So if you navigate under me, and you have to be an admin of the company page to find this information, but go and select the company you want to create the button for, and then you're going to look at this string of digits in the URL bar. So for prosightly.com, it's different than Intero advisory, obviously. And then you just take that and paste it in between the parentheses, or the quotation marks, under data ID. So I had already done it here, but and then you're going to want to update it, and that way your button will now be unique to your company page and not Intero's company page. So that's it there. So if you want to go to the blog post that we created, where I'll post this video there's just some more information about what you can do with that bit of code and where you want to place it, and that's on the Intero Advisory blog. So that's it for me today. But if you want more tips and how-to instructional videos on improving your LinkedIn presence, go to inside.interoadvisory.com for our online learning platform. We have more tips like this. There's learning modules on how to improve your presence, how to network for recruiting and lead generation. Those modules are rich with content on video and PDF workbooks. And then every Monday there's a group coaching call that you can join. It's live video. It's Intero Advisory teaching you exactly how to use LinkedIn to its fullest potential. So that's it for me today, and we look forward to seeing you.